Semua pemain yang tergolong pemain bawa nilai please. Sengau bahaban syong kumlai sibu ne kajing perta kajong pi. Please be seated. Sengau bahasyong di balawan syong. I wish everyone a very good evening. To each and every one of us. And all other, there are so many, and then we have the MLA from Gandhi, Mr. CHILING, former Deputy Chief Minister and former MLA, Madam Dodarasi Mahat. We welcome you, sir, and then we welcome our spokesperson who is very familiar, Madam CHILING. She's been around here for quite some time, spokesperson, and all the dignitaries in the dais. And of course, the headman of this locality who has given his permission to hold this meeting. Tinggi Priyanso Bhai ati kepada Borok, but Syakane bagi Priyanso Bhai who leader dari hubungan ini berkolaborasi dengan Menteri Kepala Agriculture ini. So welcome, and we look forward to his study speech to inspire the people of this area, people of this state. Thank you very much for visiting our state. Now I will request our Mahila present our global leader, Sri Rahul Ji, to present you with the stole and a basket of Meghalaya oranges. Not only this basket, one pickup will be sent to your trailers, so that you can eat all over. Happy Easter! It is a memorable day for us here in Bhoi. Our honorable leader, Sri Rahul Ji, we are really delighted to see you, and we are really proud that you are here with us tonight. Now I invite Sri Vincent Pala, our honorable deputy state tour.
Community goal, ya kita Kalau siapa berkenaan dengan kami itu, Rahul Gandhi belum MP untuk leader Kongres, lupa selain siapa ini Nongpoh.
Venugopal ji belong General Secretary, Jairam Ramesh ji belong General Secretary, Dr. Sheila Kumar belong in charge. Ya kami Meghalaya Baro Kibawan Keleng. My friend Kotom Reddy is the minister from Telangana, who is here, and all the MPs who came along with him. Ni pedang sobai pi sa kenega jaka. Ngilawan meneng le kejat. Kadak jong kejingnya teli, kejak jong kejingnya dolang, bat Rahul Gandhi. Teh kenega por ngakarpat ipi, ban long kibat tibru teblay, ban sengap ia kejing keren jong Rahul Gandhi. Ngakarpat ipi Nike sene setai. Namar unam keren slam hi usau tho ya ka por te kerpa di pai ba baro ba mde ban ki sne tai sngap knang ba ka akor ka buram khasi jongi kan reflect ha kini baro ki perlok ki bawan koblai cibon ciajar ngo.
Thank you, Mr. Vincent Pala, Honorable MP of Shillong Parliamentary Seat. Now I would like to request and invite our honorable leader, our beloved leader, Sri Rahul Ji, to address the gathering. Sir. Kawe lama, perta kerteng. Kublai sibun, kublai, ngini asngap no ya kajingkren.
KC Venugopal ji, Sheila Kumar ji, Jairam Ramesh ji, Vincent Pala ji, Ronnie Lingdo ji, senior leaders on the dais, brothers and sisters of Meghalaya, friends from the press, I'd like to welcome all of you here today.
Leader jongi ulai kublai ya baro ki padon hangne apo stage, but ulai kublai ya pi baro ki pai ba updiang sengo bahai pi.
And I'd also like to thank you for the tremendous welcome that you gave to me when I arrived.
Ulai kublai ru ya pi nam ta ka jing pdiang buram ka ba sengo shun sengo song sit akapor ka ba upoi.
And even more, I'd like to thank you for walking with me over the last 1 or 2 kilometers.
Uai kublai kam tam ya kitu ki belaya ilang bat hat kuma 6 kilometer tam.
Last year, we did a walk from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, 4,000 kilometers, called the Bharat Jodo Yatra.
Menchems nem ulayai kijat 1,000 kilometer na Kanyakumari shapo Kashmir na kamitaka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
And the reason behind the walk was we felt that the BJP was attacking many ideas that are central to the idea of India. the RSS and the BJP were attacking the foundations of our country.
Kadau balai ba uyai kejat kalong ba, kane ka jingmut jong kari India, ka jing ye lang, ka jing ye snow telat lang, kadon hapring ka jingma na kadau jong ka RSS bat kiwe.
The idea that all religions should live harmoniously in India, the idea that all communities, all languages, all traditions should be respected, were all systematically being attacked by the RSS.
Kaperkat perdain ke badai bania burom lang, haki niam baper, bat ka jing burom iki jai benri baper, kadon hapring ka jingma na kadau jong ka RSS.
And so, to protect the idea of India, we decided to do the Bharat Jodo Yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir.
Teban pene ya kane ka jing rukom perkat perdain jong kari India, ka jing ngila ya kejat na Kanyakumari hadu sa Kashmir.
And we walked from the sea to the mountains of Kashmir.
Pardon, sir?
We walked from the sea to the mountains of Kashmir.
Ngila ya nadu na duriau, syadu ki lum jong kari Kashmir.
And in this walk, we had thousands and thousands and thousands of conversations with people.
Pardon, sir? Ang ilayay rengkat baru paiba. Hakini ki hajar kilometer rengkat baru paiba.
Do you want to come here? Easy. So in this walk of 4,000 kilometers, we listened to the voice of the people of India.
Hakane ka jingyay kijat ka basaw hajar kilometer ngilayas ngam ya kasur bat ka jingdon kam jong upaiba.
Farmers, laborers,
Kinong rep, kinong belasngi,
young people,
kisamla,
millions and millions of people spoke to us.
daki po hajar ki paiba kila keren yangi.
After the walk, many people came to us and said, "You have walked from south to north, but what about the other axis, east to west?"
Hadin jong kane ka jingyay kijat bon kilawan ong yangi pilayay na shati shatay lano pinyay na miingi sa sep ngipat.
What about the voice of the people who live in the northeast? What about the voice of the people in Orissa, in Bengal, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar?
Kay namta ka sur jong kibriw ki basa ha north east, ki basa ha west Bengal, ki basa ha po Orissa, nagabanta jong kiru pide benyay. Manipur.
And so we decided that we would do another Bharat Jodo Yatra that would go from Manipur all the way to Maharashtra.
Dahil nataka daw, mangilaray baniyay iya kane ka Bharat Jodo Yatra hakasin ka baar na Manipur sa Maharashtra.
And people asked us, why did you start from Manipur?
Bat kibriw kikiliyingi balay pisdang na Manipur.
And the reason is because the ideology of the RSS and the BJP has destroyed the idea of Manipur.
Kadaw kalong ngiyay na Manipur ka RSS bat ka BJP kala penjot ya karukom perkhat perdain hapo ka jela Manipur.
The politics of hatred and violence has torn the state apart.
Kajingle politics, kajing bisni perpihun kala tar lengkot lengkai ya ka jela Manipur.
Hundreds of people have died. Thousands of people have lost their property. It is a complete tragedy.
Daki spa angot kibriu kilayap, bat daki hajar angot kiladu ki jaka ki puta ki jongki bat kalong ka basngausi.
And that is why we wanted to send a message to the rest of India about the pain that the people of Manipur are feeling.
Day na kani kadaw, ngikwa aban pa ka khubor sa boro kari India, ya ka jing sitom bat ka kya ka syon jong ka jela Manipur.
It is amazing to me.
Minister of India, after many, many months, has not even bothered to pay a visit to the people of Manipur.
Kapan sayong ngai nga bau Prime Minister ng kari India menta lagi bun benai umpat lek jengok ya ka jela Manipur.
Is Manipur not an Indian state?
Balik ke Manipur kan ka jela hapo kari India?
Are the people of Manipur not from the state, from India?
Kinong song sinong jang ka jela Manipur kimdei mo kinong India?
The Prime Minister has traveled to so many states, but he refuses to go to Manipur.
U Prime Minister ulai seki babun ki jela henry u kentait ban lek sepo Manipur.
Brothers and sisters, if the Prime Minister of India wanted to stop the violence in Manipur, he could stop it in 3 days.
Ko henmen ko para ladau Prime Minister ukwa aban pensange ya ka jingya umsnam hapo Manipur ula aban le tang hapo laisngi.
If he told the Indian army that the violence in Manipur should be stopped, I am confident that the Indian army would have stopped the violence within a matter of days.
Lada uong ya kisipai army jong kari India. Pensange no ya kane ka jingya umsnam hapo Manipur. Tang hapo sisngi arsngi kin sala abante lakam.
The truth is, he is not interested in stopping the violence in Manipur.
Kajing sisya pat kalong don kajing angnut lane kajing trang ban pensange ya kane kajing ya umsnam hapo Manipur.
The people of Manipur to suffer.
Ka sorkar India ikum baka kemen ban ailat baka jela Manipur kan ing bat kan syam sitom bat kajing jenjar.
The yatra went from Manipur to Nagaland, to Assam, Arunachal, and has now come to your beautiful state.
Kane kajing ya kijat kelas dang na Manipur, kala apoi sa Nagaland, kala apoi sa Assam, Arunachal, bat manta gila apoi ha kane ka jela BAIEID ke
You might be smaller than Uttar Pradesh, but for us, all states in the Indian Union are equally important.
Pila ban rid kum ka jela habaya nujor bat ko Uttar Pradesh, Henry watla pirit nagamanta ka jongi pilong ki bakongsan.
We do not view a child of Manipur, a child of Meghalaya, any different than we view a child of Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or Tamil Nadu.
Ngim penya pher hapdeng ki khun jong ka jela Meghalaya ne Manipur bat ki wei ki jela kum ka Uttar Pradesh lane ka Bihar.
We respect your culture, your tradition, your languages.
Ngi burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jongpi, karukom im ka jongpi bat ikikitin ki thulik ki jongpi.
And we believe fundamentally that Meghalaya should be ruled from Meghalaya.
Pardon?
Meghalaya should be ruled from Meghalaya.
Bat ngi ngei ru ba ya ka jela Meghalaya dei ban sinsyar na kinong Meghalaya.
That is why I clearly stated in Parliament that our Constitution says,
Bat dei na taka daw,
I clearly stated in Parliament that our Constitution says that India is a union of states.
ngala kerensay hapo parliament. Bat dakabaong ba kari India kadai ka jingya senrop lang jong ki jela ba pher.
And what this means is that the states come together and form a union.
Kajingmut jong kane kalong baki jela ba pher ki asno kti lang ban form bat lane ban tau ya ka wei kari lane ka wei ka senjup.
And it also means that every single state of this great nation is equal.
Bat kamudru man la ki jela jong kane ka jela jong kane kari ki yarangkat.
And their voice is equally important.
Bat kasur jong ki baro ki jela ki dei ban yarangkat dor.
Now, the voice of Meghalaya, the voice of Manipur, the voice of Arunachal, these are all being attacked.
Henry menta kasur na Meghalaya, kasur na po Manipur, kasur na po Arunachal, amdan masngap, amdan baperwa.
Your tradition, your history, your way of life is being attacked by the RSS.
Karukom im ka jongpi, kariti ka dustur ka jongpi, bat kalay kawan ka jongpi, ka RSS kasdang manyon hakini kisngi.
The conversation between the states happens through the institutions of the nation.
Kajing ya keren hapdeng ki jela bafer bat ka sorkar pedeng kaya lengba kini ki institution kamut ki institution ki bafer hapok kari India.
The legal system, the election commission, these institutions protect the conversation between our states. Okay, I'll repeat it. The conversation between our states happens through the institutions of India.
Kajing ya keren hapdeng ki jela bafer bat kari India ki wan lengba kini ki institution ki bafer.
And the constitution protects the conversation between our states.
But kini ki institution bafer ki ada ya kata kajing ya dei hapdeng ki jela bat ka sorkar pedeng.
And today the RSS is strangling the constitution, strangling the institutional framework of India.
But ha kini ki sengi ka RSS ka sedang man kinyot ya kini ki institution bat kumjuru ya ka constitution jong kari India.
And Meghalaya is not ruled from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is ruled from Delhi.
But ya ka jela Meghalaya ki klem sensiar na po Meghalaya hanrei la sensiar na Delhi.
And as far as we are concerned, this is not acceptable.
But ha karkom perkhat perdain ke jongi ngimla ban pediang ya kani.
The nation is facing the highest levels of unemployment it has faced in the last 40 years.
Kari ke jongi menta kayoi ya ka jing bom don kam don jam ka bashar khai menta ka bat kraw tam ha kini ki South House nem ki balalik.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kadai ka sorkar ka babam saptam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki babam saptam tang hadin katto kanes ngi menta uya trailang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khai tu yaw doyong bat ka dom jong ka assembly ro kala kelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kine gide kita kisin ki ba mangi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki klempat penrung hadu menta hapo ka 8 schedule. Kidon ar po arteli ki kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8 schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilat jingeda kumno ban penne ya kariti ka dustur ki jongpi hangne ya ki Adivasi ya kakitin Katolik ki jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjot menta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang pentelot sisu iki lakini kabor ka jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingila ai kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban pendu kawai hadin kawai.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra.
Kine gide ki mat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa ban pensngau si ki pai ba ha ka jingyai ki jat ka jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Jodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kham kongsan tam ka thong ka ba ngabu hakane ka jingyai ki jat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong bania keren bat phi bat ban sngap ye phi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing angnut bat ka jing pos new jongki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing ba ki nongrep nakane ka jalla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lat ka kabu ka bala ban le hakane ka jalla ka jongi.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kham kong santam nakamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jing yadai hapdeng jonga bat ki pai ba long song sunong hapok ka jela
I
Meghalaya.
come here with humility, with respect, with humility and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ka jing sngorit ban sngap ya pi ban burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jong pi bat ban sngo ban sngap ya ki jing don kam ki jong pi.
I am not here to tell you my man ki baat. I am here to listen to your man ki baat.
Nga klemwan hangne ban pen sngo ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jonga Henry ngawan hangne ban sngap ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jong pi.
And so in the yatra we spend 6-7 hours talking to the people of Meghalaya and other states, and then in the end we speak for 20-25 minutes.
Habangi ya kijat nriu nyau kenta ngis ngap ya kasur jong ki nong song snong haki jela ba per kumjuru ka jela ka jong pi bat hakabakot ka jing ya kijat ngi keren tang arfusan minit.
Before I conclude, I'd like to leave you with one thought I had.
Shua bangan penkut ngakwa aban pensngau ya pi iwe jing perkat ibangadon.
Today, when we were driving here, we stopped and tasted some of your pineapples.
Mene habangi wan sane ngila sange bat ngila bam katto kat ne usok turun jong ka jela jong pi.
There was a daughter and a mother who was selling the pineapples on the side of the road.
Kadon kawai ka kemi rengkat bat ka kun ka jong ka kibayadi sok turun harut surop.
In my entire life, I have never had such a delicious pineapple.
Silenter jingim jonga ngampat mat usok turun ubat yang kum utu ubamene.
In fact, immediately after I had it, I called up my mother and I said, I'm bringing some of the best pineapple in the world to you.
You call up him?
Mama.
Hadin mangala abam ulafoni ime jong uong ba ngan sawan ra sok turun ya piru sok turun ubat yang tam hapertai se.
So two or three small questions. One, why isn't the best tasting pineapple in the world available to the entire world?
Tang baka jingkeli kalong kene balai usok turun ubat yang hakapertai balai umla ban lei sikiwei pat ki benta jong kapertai.
Why is the best pineapple in the world not being sold in London, New York, Tokyo, in these places?
Balai une usok turun ubat yang tam hakapertai amla bandi ha London ha New York bat kiwi ki jaka.
And why are the farmers and that mother and daughter not benefiting from the sale of your pineapples to the rest of the world?
Balai kine ki shikmi shikun ka kemi bat ka kun kim yo nong nakabadi sok turun sakeu bani kiwi ki benta jong kapertai.
Because we have not, or the infrastructure has not been developed to send that pineapple to the rest of the world.
Let's say kadau kalong ba amnon ka jing penbit penbiang ban pha ai kine ki sok turun ki jongi sakiwei ki benta jong kapertai.
The entire population of Meghalaya can become wealthy on what you produce here.
Kinong song senong jong keri India jong ka jela Meghalaya kila ban rius pa tang na ki marrep ki ba pipin mi na kane ka jela.
You gave me oranges, I haven't tasted them yet, but I am convinced that they will be among the best oranges in the world.
Pila ay nga ki sok turun ngampari olat ban bam henry ngangei udai usok nyamtra ubat yang tam kapertai.
And I think it is important that we develop a vision for Meghalaya that achieves some of these things.
Bat ngangei ngidei ban thau kalat kalenti kumno ban penpoi kini ki jing angnut ki jongi hangne hapo Meghalaya.
I want to conclude by saying, I am your soldier in Delhi.
Ngakwa ban penkut de kabakaong ngadei usipai jong pi ha Delhi.
Whatever you need from me in Delhi, I will always try and deliver to you.
Kano ka ba pidon kam nanga na Delhi ngan presyang ban le kat bangala ban penpoy kata ka jingang nut ka jong pi.
And I want to have a loving relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ngakwa bandon ka jing yadai ka basngau eat ka basngau tenat bat ki nong song sinong jong ka jela Meghalaya.
And that is why I have come here.
Bat day na takadaw ngalawan siya kanay ka jaka.
I'd like to conclude by saying, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी है.
Ngakwa ban penkut hapdeng ka yau ka hat jong ka jing isi jing pihun ngide ban pli ka dukan jong ka jing eat bat ka jing isngotu lam.
And I want to leave you with the commitment that we will never ever allow anyone to damage your history, your tradition, your language, your religion, your way of life.
Ngakwa ban mi ino nang ni da kabakular ban ong ngin ya khun ban penne ya ka history ka jong pi ki tin ki tili ki jong pi ki culture ki jong pi habangilay nang ni.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Kumkadak jong ka jing yasnok ti baru Rahul Gandhi. Ngakwa ba pi baro pin penne iki like ha ki mobile ke jong pi. Coba penne iki like ha ki mobile ke jong pi. Kumkadak jong ka jing adai, kumkadak ka jing Italy, kajak jong ka jing kersane ka jing yait Rahul Gandhi.
Perta ka kerteng. Rahul.
Bharat Joro.
Pertae. Rahul. No, it's too lengthy. Pertae, kawalama.
Kublai si Jarmo ipi baro.